Today, I'm excited to announce a new national training program. Despite challenging times, the mining industry and BHP are committed to give people opportunities to grow. And these opportunities will allow us as well to prepare people to go to our operations in iron ore and in coal. This announcement is a great opportunity for the people of Australia. We are going to offer jobs and at the same time the opportunity to train and learn new skills, the skills that we need in the future in our industry. And we are going to do this in 2 training centers, one in Mackay, Central Queensland, and one in Perth in WA. This training program will give people the opportunity to learn about mining. So there is no requirements in terms of previous knowledge of the industry. In fact, we are looking at bringing people without experience as well, because that will strengthen our workplace by having diverse views and diverse inputs.
Before I started here and applied for this job, I was a courier. I'm excited about my future and I think it's an amazing opportunity.
Working in hospitality and being a cleaner for the last 8 years, this is such a step up that I've been praying for, and it's going to change my future completely.
I am just so grateful, so thankful because of my age to start with, and for BHP to give me a chance like this.
My journey so far with BHP has been fantastic. I have been trying to get into the mining industry for 5 years. It's like winning the lottery, really.
I want to welcome all of the new trainees, and I want to tell you that the company is committed to make sure that you will get an opportunity with us and you will be able to help us improving and being better in the future as well.